Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel online. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just to log in into your Outlook mail. So just go to Outlook, and from there we will be able to log in into or use our online tools. It's similar to the Google tools or Google Apps. So basically when you connect to your Google account, you will find all the Google apps there. So basically it's the same for the Outlook. You will need just to sign in to your account, and here I'm just going to sign in and add password. After typing the password, you will log in into the account. So let's go back and uh, like that, we would need just to verify the password, etc. And basically here we will find, as I said, your accounts or your applications. So from this app, as we can see, we can find our Excel here, and we can just click on Excel, and basically we are already logged in here, and it will take us to the Microsoft products. And basically now you can start using your Excel online. So you will just click on blank workbook, so you can have your spreadsheets here or the sheets, and of course they will be uh, in the drive. So let's wait for the workbook to be generated. And now we need just to choose any list. It seems that only the OneDrive is not working. So basically, even if I'm going to my OneDrive website, it doesn't work. But still, you can from here create your blank documents. You can create your Excel, PowerPoints, etc., and you can use them online freely. And you can have all the tools to use these applications. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.